a cleaner, purer world. Every day, Eaton's filtration business works to make it happen. Because wherever there's a person, process, or industry that uses a liquid of any kind, there's a need for impurities to be strained, filtered, and removed. After all, success isn't always what you put into an effort. Sometimes it's what you take out. And with facilities in more than 20 countries, Eaton is a recognized global leader in filtration solutions. Thousands of companies across hundreds of industries all depend on Eaton to help them improve quality, increase efficiency, and protect their processes, their people, and the environment, while keeping their businesses running strong. From global paint manufacturers filtering impurities safely and efficiently, to keeping millions of people at JFK International Airport comfortable through all weather conditions by straining thousands of gallons of water per minute in the airport's HVAC systems, to ensuring clean shower water for U.S. troops all over the world, Eaton's filtration business is continually developing new and effective ways to meet the changing needs of its growing markets. And as the demand for quality filtration products continues to increase, so does Eaton's ability to engineer innovative solutions. Recent developments include the revolutionary BecoPad, the first and only mineral-free depth filter that covers all requirements from coarse to sterile filtration. New cartridges that significantly increase the surface area of fine filter material, allow flow from the inside out. High-performance, environmentally friendly pleated bag systems with increased dirt-holding capacity, meaning you no longer need to change your filter bags as often. We have hydraulic and lubricating fluid filters that live up to the highest quality requirements and set standards in the international market. And electronic measurement, diagnostic, and analysis technology that detects and analyzes system contamination, maintains system cleanliness, and provides maximum uptime. In fact, Eaton has continually increased its annual output of patents year after year, proving it to be a market leader in product innovation. Eaton is also continuously advancing its manufacturing capabilities, with breakthroughs in filter bag manufacturing processes that increase quality and reliability, design modifications to increase efficiencies, like developing the Flowline 2 filter housing with a unique one-piece body design, manufacturing improvements that increase value to customers, such as the ProLine Series multi-bag vessel with a universal feature set, and an advanced water testing lab facility that supports our engineers in researching, testing, and developing today's high-performing filtration solutions. Today, Eaton manufactures thousands of different products, and every one of them is backed by exceptional service. Not only can our customers depend on deliveries timed to their schedules, they can also count on Eaton for dedicated personal service built around the way they do business. With our interactive process management technology, Eaton customers now gain complete visibility into their orders as they move from design through manufacturing and on to delivery. And because we value the input of all our communities, including distributors, engineers, and end users, we have created further interaction by leveraging the latest social media. The result, even higher levels of satisfaction across the many markets we serve. For companies around the world, using any process that uses a liquid, the choice for application expertise, innovation, and exceptional service filters down to one company: Eaton, powering business worldwide.